Hi, Silvio. I'm at your Cengage Instructor Center. This is where we can add any of our book titles. If you notice up here, this is the book you would tentatively selected to use this fall. This is a new edition of that book, and this is due in June. All right. Now, one thing, this book didn't have homework specifically aligned with it. This one will. To confuse issues, this is the book that has been used previously. So you can click on any of these to get to the ebook. This has homework with it. The homework that this has with it is very similar to what will be with this new book here. All right, so these are the books. You can click on here to get the title and do the teaching resources, PowerPoints, and so on. If you click on My Courses, I've set up a practice course for you to explore. It's in WebAssign, which is used by a lot of different places. So here's your homework. These are all preloaded assignments. All right. And you can go in and edit these, of course, and change them however you might want to. Easiest way for you to preview some of them to get an idea of the kinds of question is to click up here on the right on View as Student. And here are all the assignments. Okay. So click on any one. They're all kind of set up in a similar nature. Here's the problems. And of course, you can edit them and so on. So they would answer the questions as shown. You can go in and edit questions. You can go in and make your own questions. If you do see things in red, those are variables, and they would change with each student. All right. So you can see there's a variety of question types here. All right. There's a lot of features here. I'm going to go back to my home, and you'll also see that we have virtual labs. Okay, so these are some labs that can go. It takes a while to load because I've put all the labs into one assignment for some reason. But you'll see the labs are kind of detailed. They'll give the situation. They look up the learning objectives, management, and so on. Okay, so it would give varying information, and then they would go through and do the labs. Okay, there's pictures here. It's taking them a while to load. So those are the labs. And another quick way to see exactly what the labs are, I should have done them one by one, but if I go to Create Assignment and I go to my questions, this is how we would create an assignment. And you can select your questions. But here are your virtual astronomy labs. So you can see what those are. Now, I'm happy to go through this in more detail. I know you're very good at exploring on your own, but I can sure help you out. So let me know what you think, what you'd like me to go through with you in more detail, and how we can help. And we can deliver this to your students at a very economical price. So we'll talk later. Thanks for your time, sir.